Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing my Nordstrom anniversary sale haul with you guys. This is part 3. So the first part was all things shoes, handbags, beauty and home items. The second video I did was all things children's clothing, and this video is what I picked up for myself. So I will be doing a try on haul for you guys. I feel like that's a good way for you to kind of see what it looks like on. All of the items in this video, last time I checked, which was yesterday, were still available on the Nordstrom website. So if any of these are an interest to you, they are still available. And as I said, I am absolutely not a model, so please be kind, and we'll go ahead and get started. So the first outfit is this beautiful green ruffled trim blouse. It's by the brand CC. I feel like it's super flattering. The color is just stunning. It's in this beautiful green color. I love the daintiness and femininity of this blouse. It has this nice little trim on the sleeve and the ruffles down the front. It's just really pretty. So this is $35.40, and after the sale, it goes up to $59. They have a bunch of different colors, but this one stood out to me because I don't have anything like it in my wardrobe, and I thought it was just really pretty. So next I have this open edit skirt. It's the ruched tulip hem skirt, and it has a faux wrap. So the middle of the skirt is just so cute. It's something different. It has the ruching on the side, so it makes it super slimming and flattering. And then it has ruching down the front as well, which is really nice. And it's just really cute. I just feel like I would use this skirt so much to either dress up or down. And this was only $39.99 during the sale, and it goes up to $59 after the sale. Such a cute outfit. Also, I thought these flats went really well with this outfit. If you're interested in any of the shoes during this video, they're all in part 1 of my Nordstrom anniversary sale haul, so check that out. So next I have this Sydney reversible hooded cardigan. This is by the brand Splendid. It is so soft, so comfy. I love the pockets. I love that it's long, and I'm able to wear this with leggings. So this cost $129.99, and then after the sale, it's gonna go up to $198. It is so cute. It also has this great little hoodie on the back. Super pretty, very soft. I absolutely love this, and I think I would wear it both ways. I'm also wearing the Spanx faux leather leggings. So these are $64.99. And then after the sale, they go up to $98. I pretty much purchased these faux leather leggings because I felt like I was the only person on the planet who doesn't own them yet. There was just so much hype about these leggings over the last few years, and I just was like, I don't know if those are my style, but these are nice. They hold you in everywhere you want them to. I mean, I slightly feel like a sausage, but in the best way possible. They just hold everything in. And they're so comfortable and cute. I just have a feeling I'm going to really enjoy wearing these. I'm glad I finally picked them up. So this next outfit is cut from the cloth jeans. These are the Catherine high waist raw hem boyfriend jeans. I absolutely love the little cuff at the bottom. It just adds a little something extra. The cut from the cloth jeans are just, they have a great amount of stretch to them. They're super comfortable. I love this color. This is the color Literate. It's a lighter wash jean. Super comfy, super cute. I have a lot of cut from the cloth jeans, and these are $65.99 during the sale, and then they go up to $99 after the sale. So this sweater is by Caslon. It is the space dye striped sweater. It screams fall to me. It's so pretty, but it's different. I love how different it is. I love the knit. I wanted to show you up close. It's really a pretty sweater. So this sweater during the sale is $45.99, and then after the sale it's going to go up to $69. Super pretty. So this is another perfect for fall sweater. This sweater is by Madewell. It is the Ellesmere pullover sweater in the color Heather Brunette. It is so soft. I love the knit on this. It's so pretty and different. It's super soft and comfy, and I just feel like the perfect brown color for fall. And this is $45.99 during the sale, going up to $69 after the sale. So next I picked up these cut from the cloth, also the Catherine high waist raw hem boyfriend jeans. This is just in the color Coziness, so it's just a little bit of a darker jean than the other ones I picked up in the color Literate. So I just really like the darker denim as well. Again, super stretchy, super comfortable, and these are $65.99 during the sale, going up to $99 afterwards. And then I picked up this stunning blue sweater by Topshop. It is so pretty. It's called the Center Seam Crewneck Sweater. It is so pretty. Let me get a little closer. I actually saw this on the website and I was just not impressed at all. It didn't look very nice. But then when I saw it in person and I tried it on, I just loved everything about it. The color is stunning and the fit is really nice. It's not too cropped, but it's not too long. It's just right. So it's such a pretty color. I actually ended up going ahead and picking it up in the gray as well because I liked it so much. So these are $44.99 during the sale, and after the sale they go up to $68. But they're just really good sweaters, and they are warm, so comfy. Absolutely love them. So now I'm going to try on this coat for you guys. This is probably my favorite purchase of the whole sale. This is the BP faux leather jacket, and it was $54.99. Yes, $54.99. That's what I said. So after the sale, it goes up to $89. I tried on a bunch of faux leather jackets at Nordstrom, and I liked this one the best. And this one was much cheaper than the other ones I tried on as well. So really cute. When I first brought it home, I wasn't sure if I loved it, primarily because I was like, oh no, it doesn't have pockets. But they are snap pockets, and you absolutely have pockets. So cute. I cannot wait till it's warm or cold enough to wear this. It is such a cute jacket. And for the money, are you kidding me? That's a deal. I have a feeling I'm going to wear this so much. So next I have the Caslon Detail Shaker Stitch Sweater. This is in the beautiful color Rust Sequoia, and $49.99 during the sale, going up to $79 after the sale. I just love this little attention to detail. It just adds a little something extra. It's a nice cozy sweater. I could definitely see myself wearing this to a pumpkin patch. And it's called the Maple Creek Club Collar Wool Blend Coat. It's in the most beautiful oat color. It has these great pockets. I can't have a coat without pockets. This is beautiful. So during the sale, it is retailing for $249.99. And then after the sale, it's going up by $100 to $350. So if you're interested in this coat, get it during the sale. It is so pretty. It's very good quality. Like, it just feels really nice. I love that it has this corduroy trim on the pocket. I love that it has a great pocket. It's so nice. Has the zip as well as the snaps. And it has a beautiful interior lining. super comfy, soft, cozy. I love that it on the cuffs, if you want to cuff it, it also has the corduroy, which matches the pocket trim perfectly. It's just a great, great coat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Nordstrom anniversary sale haul. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.